Rhythm and ratios, I thought about this activity as I was teaching piano to little kiddies. And so, 1-to-1, can I just divide this side of the classroom? So this side, from here, yep, you guys will be group 1, and from here to here, you guys are group 2. Okay, so group 1, I want you guys to clap in time with me. Okay, so I'll conduct you guys, 1 sec. Wait, I'll give you guys 4 beats. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then group 2, join in. Awesome. Okay, so that's obviously a ratio of 1-to-1, isn't it? Okay, so the next problem is a ratio of 1-to-2. So for group 1, I want you guys to clap on the X's, so on beats 1 and 2 in this cycle. And for group 2, I want you guys to do a long clap, okay? But let's do it just with group 1 first, okay? So I'll give you guys 2 beats. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, awesome. Okay, group 2, let's just do the O. Okay, I'll give you guys 2 beats as well. 1, 2. Okay, awesome. All right, let's do that together. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, so good. Okay, so awesome. All right, I remember doing this in the double method class. It did not go well. Okay, so that's a ratio of 1-to-2. So 2 claps in that cycle and 1 clap in that cycle. All right, the really nice thing I like about this is when we're exploring equivalent ratios. So let's say we're doing something 2-4, 2-to-4. So group 1, I want you guys to clap on all the O's, and group 2, I want you guys to clap on all the X's. I'll give you guys 4 beats. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so that's obviously equivalent to that, isn't it? And the 2-4 cycle is just double the length of that cycle, right? All right, so this is where it gets a little bit tricky with 2-to-3. Okay, so we have a cycle of time. So before, in the 4-beat cycle, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And that's our length of time. So we want to fit 3 claps, 1, 2, 3, and 1 and 2. All right, so let's try this. So group 1, you guys are going to be doing the 3 claps, and group 2, you guys will be doing the 2 claps. But let's start with the 3 claps first, and I'll bring you guys in after, okay? So, give me 1 sec. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, keep going, keep going. Awesome! So good. Okay. So that's what it feels like. But we're mathematicians. We don't have feelings. What does it look like on pen and paper? So in other words, besides the people who do double method maths, because I told you guys before, does anyone know the concept that we can use to clap 2 even length claps in the time that it takes to clap 3 even length claps? Does anyone know? Yeah, who said that? Awesome. Okay, so we use LCM. So I've divided up. So 2 and 3, LCM is 6, right? So group 1, I want you guys to clap on beats 1, 3, and 5. And group 2, I want you guys to clap on beats 1 and 4. I'll give you guys 6 beats, okay? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that was hard. All right. Keep going. Okay, so the really confusing part about this is that when you're doing LCMs, the group 1X has got 2 beats, but the group 2 zeros have got 3 beats, so you have to be really specific what you're looking for. You've got to be specific about, we're looking at claps, we're not looking at the ratio of beats. So a couple of questions that for our class we can have, when will the 2 groups clap together again, which would lead to a natural discussion about lowest common multiples. And we can also have this question, what would it look like? And what would it look like and what would the ratio be if one group clapped on every third beat and another clapped on every fourth beat. The ratio is 3 to 4, but it's not exactly obvious why, and it's the same discussion. The problem is the same thing that we've had in the ratio of 2 to 3, and we can make up and clap ratios. Sorry, there's a boo-boo there. We can make up and clap rhythms with a ratio of 1 to 4, 2 to 6, or 3 to 5, and that's my presentation.